Today we're going to be grilling beef burgers. Today we're going to be cutting tomato, onion, and lettuce on our cheeseburgers.
These are going to be delicious.
They're going to be juicy like Freddy's, and you know what I'm talking about because Freddy's is in Colorado, and they're very juicy, and they're going to be super yummy. We have to warm up the grill and clean it really good. We have to scrape off all of this old food. While the grill is getting warm, let me cut tomatoes. Lettuce and onion and tomatoes are ready, so let's season up the patties. This is organic sea salt and pepper. These are seasoned to perfection. The grill's getting really hot right now. My assistant's bringing me patties. Set them right there, assistant. Let's get these patties on now.
Delicious.
These are looking so juicy. We're flipping burgers on Haylees' channel. We all like cheese.
Delicious.
These are the best burgers. Haley, what are you doing?
How are those burgers?
I give it a 5 out of 10. That's how you make cheeseburgers. 5 out of 10. We'll see you next season.